Y'all see it. Yes. The big blue oval. Yes, she's filthy. That's alright. She's good to me. Being good to me. So. Alright, pop the trunk. I am going to change some oil. Y'all see it. May not be what y'all get, but hey, it's on sale. And I had to buy another quart because it takes 6 quarts. But I think it was auto advance. They had it for, I think it was like $26. You get the jug and the air filter. $26. So you know, trying to save a little dollar. Figure it's probably still good stuff. Oil's oil, right? It's probably made by Kenzel or somebody anyway. Anywho. Sops thinks I can't do this. I can do it. See it? It's supposed to be a mouser. We don't really even do cats, but yeah. There he is. That's Swap's little helper for real. He likes him. He just won't admit to it. But anyways, I'm gonna get these ramps and I'm gonna pull old Blue Royal up on some. Yes, I'm about to change the oil on this thing before he gets home. And shocking. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna try to do. And yes, she's filthy. We live in the country. You know. Can't help but get bean dust and whatnot. So yeah, she's dirty. But that's alright. I'll get back with y'all in a minute. I already did. Would you like to see it? Hi, good people. How y'all doing? We're getting ready to change the oil in my car. It's a 2015 Taurus. What is it? Limited 3.5 liters. We'll take 6 quarts of oil. Caught this on sale today. Y'all may not use this. I really don't. Doesn't matter. It's probably made by Pennzoil or somebody, anyways. But Advanced Auto had it on sale, so got my 6. Got my oil filter that I have to fill with oil to make sure it's ready to go. This oil filter, the part number on this one is R84502 for royal blue with the blue oval. Y'all know what that is. So yeah. Just good, I'm guessing this is good oil going in here. I got synthetic. Yes. I think she has what, 80 something thousand. So yes. So I got my 15 and I'm gonna go up under here and take this oil plug out and drain this oil out of here. Okay? I think I can't do it, but I'm about to do it. I can do it with my hand now. Still a little warm.
Yeah, well, don't get it on you. Probably should have got you some gloves. Oops. Looks like she needed to be changed.
It does. Good gracious. It's never supposed to be this dark.
So what size was that socket?
15.
15.
Yes. We're gonna let this drain.
We'll let it drain and then.
Look at my hands.
What's that?
My oil filter.
So we have to take that off next, right?
Mm-hmm.
She really doing it, y'all.
Where's my rag?
Uh-oh. I'm gonna get you one. So you got the drain plug out.
Yes, the drain plug is out. And then the drain still got some more in it.
We're on some ramps, so all of it should drain to the back and out, correct?
Yes, correct. I'm letting the metal ramps, not the plastic.
They're too tall.
Safety first.
Safety first, exactly.
This is probably the lightest thing you've had on them ramps, ain't it?
Probably.
I should never do this black. Same color as dang pan. All these country miles on it. Swaps.
Alright, let's look. Go ahead and put your drain plug back in. You wanna wipe your hands off first?
I did.
Oh, you tough then, ain't you? Righty tighty, let loosey. Here you go.
How tight I need to get it.
Well, the book probably's got a spec for it. We'll call that. We'll call that good, unless you can get a little more on it. That's good.
My back popped.
Well, it should be tight then. Now, it's gonna do the same thing.
It's gonna leak.
Yes.
And
You might want to not be so close to it.
just twist it off.
That's it.
I might have to. It's black.
That oil's nasty. But it's getting changed now to some newer, brand new oil.
What is it? Fram?
Fram.
Fram!
Which a lot of people frown on Fram and
Why?
their filters. 'Cause they don't filter very well, but you know, something's better than nothing.
So I shouldn't have got that? Should have got something else?
Your filter is a Ford filter. It's for Ford, but this filter, which is a Fram, also be alright.
Don't have to be, huh? Still you gonna get dirty?
You're supposed to be turning.
No, you're there. Closer.
Now we need to fill the other filter up.
It's absorbing into the filter. Just in case y'all didn't know. Oh. That's about it, ain't it? Okay. Alright. They're good.
Alright.
I'm tight. I'm not right. You're laying on it. Oh, watch your head swap. It's down on by your butt. Thank you. It's too greasy. I got it pretty tight. Well, maybe I didn't. Big strong hands. Want some of them gripper gloves?
It won't do no good. Get no wool on it.
And the plastic stuff, it won't help. Whatever it is, what is it called? What's it called? You talking to me? You gonna make sure I ain't smoking?
Sure.
If it's burning off, still gonna smoke, ain't it? I got that baby tight.
It's the first time ever doing your own oil change? Ever?
Yep.
That's what I'm talking about.
First time for everything, isn't it?
So,
Change the tire before by myself. What?
that's good. Next go around, I guess, is all on you. You know what size tools to use.
What?
You know what ramp to get.
Yeah, I can do it. I can get all that good stuff. Alright.
You got steady enough hand to pour it in.
We're gonna find out. Feel like I'm gonna mess up. Uh-oh. I'm already. Uh-oh. I don't know. Maybe I come from this side.
Let me get you.
What you've had in this funnel? Looking funny.
Nothing. It's brand new.
You buy this for me?
No,
Is this for in my funnel?
this new car shouldn't need no funnels.
Excuse me?
It shouldn't need no funnels. Is this the oil they had suggested for you to get?
No, it's what was on sale.
What was on sale? I got you.
Bought it under your name. Maybe you can get some credits or something. Only asked me what I wanted. The sell ad was right there. And it jumped out at me.
Synthetic high mileage?
And the price.
Well, this ain't high mileage, but
It's
think
better
it's
for you though.
synthetic.
It's thicker, right?
No, synthetic oil is better. They say synthetic oil is better.
Well, that's what she's been drinking, so she's
been
gonna
drinking
continue to drink
synthetic.
it till we can't go back to that old, what is it, conventional, what is it?
Most of the time, Motorcraft is Ford stuff.
Motorcraft? It's Ford stuff? Good stuff, huh?
You say so.
I mean, ain't nobody gonna knock my car. My car been good. Shoot. I love a Chevy too, but you can't even say nothing bad about this thing. And I know it. I think that's it. What? You go the other way. You gave me a chance. I'd have fixed it, honey. Now it's
the right way.
Yes.
Good job. Looks like you changed your oil. Now you need to start it and reset the computer. You know how to reset it?
Maybe.
Well, next we're going to go through the reset process of
not needing an oil change.
Not needing an oil change. After the oil change.
After the oil change.
And then,
what is it, 6,000 miles or something?
With the being synthetic, you get higher, you get a longer longevity of miles to put on your vehicle before you change it. That's what they say.
Thanks for your help.
All right, let's take a look and see how we reset this.
You coming by? So I open the door. No, I started up, right?
Yeah, we want to make sure the oil pressure comes up. Want to make sure we ain't got no oil lights. Can you go through your menu and find oil pressure on there somewhere? Or you just got a light? All right, let's back it off the ramp. Now let's see if we can go through the reset process.
I don't know how to do it. I don't know. You know how to do this, don't you? There we go. Fuel settings. Display settings. Nope. Vehicle maybe. Oh, life reset. Over. Remaining life 0. Okay to reset. Reset complete.
There it is.
And back on out of it.
So you ready to rock and roll and change your oil, reset your life.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
So how bad was it?
It wasn't that bad. I can handle it.
You can handle it? I like that. We're going to revert back to this video when
it's time for me to change my oil.
We'll get another oil change.
Say what?
Time for another oil change. We'll revert back to this video. Or I just send it to you in a link or something.
What, to remind me that I can do it?
Mm-hmm.
And I don't need you to help me?
Maybe. Hey. Looks like she accomplished. I know she could. Ain't nothing to it. You want to give them a run through real quick of what it is you did? Oh. What tools you used? Most of the time they have an oil filter wrench,
but we
can't find
it, right? So all we needed was that 15-inch,
15
millimeter, excuse me, wrench. Should take off the plug, let it drain, and put the plug back in. Take the oil filter off, let it drain, and put the new one on there. After you fill it up with oil and let it absorb the oil, get the ring nice and oily around the rim of it. Put it back in there and get it tight and fill her up and put the cap on.
Let's check your level now.
And then check it and reset your oil life.
Okay.
My life. Looks good. So clean I can't even see it. But she's just like, I can breathe again.
Let's see how long that lasts. Because you put some miles on it and drive back and forth to work.
Somebody let me out 2 sticks.
And there it is. Oil change 2015 Ford Taurus 3.5 V6 blue oval. So easy. Shorty can do it.
Her name is Royal.
Royal blue. Royal.
Miss Royal.
Miss Royal.
Yep, get her done.
All right, now I need you to move the car.